Let me take out the copyright music.
Wow, thanks Uber driver for taking us to the airport.
Stars.
What's good, my people? Me and Tasha are doing our first little trip of 2021. We're gonna go visit my friend Courtney in Portland. Woo! And just hang out, go check it out. Tasha's never been, so it's gonna be fun. I've been to Portland once. It's pretty cool. I like it. I watched the show Portlandia. I don't know if that has anything relevant. Our layover that we have from Orlando to Portland, we had to stay at Denver for 8 hours, so we got a room because I don't want to sleep on the airport floor. It's crusty and COVID. Don't worry, y'all, we tested negative.
3 hours later.
All right, what up, y'all? We just woke up from our 3-hour nap. Time to head to the, I don't know what it's called.
Yeah.
In Portland. Woo-hoo. We have successfully broken into Courtney's house. We have infiltrated the dealer. Now we need to find the supplier. Wow, Courtney is so chic and designer. Look at those empty walls. The large TV on the floor. Magnificent. All right, me and Tasha, we just got some rest. Watch Captain Marvel. We're gonna go look for some food now. The phone eats first. Oh. Oh my lordy. How's the tomato soup?
Delicious. It's like real tomatoes, you know, no canned stuff.
Facts, facts, facts. I don't even like tomato soup, but this is bomb. We found Courtney. Say what up to the fam. Say what up to the squad. Hey, we're in the whip. Courtney taking us to all the cool food cart places. It's called food carts over here. Not food truck, apparently. There's Courtney's workplace.
I'm so fancy, you say.
Wow, look at the love, Dutch love. Tell me how it is. Give me a review of Courtney's place of work. All right, here we are at the world's smallest park. As you can see, if you look right here, just kidding, it's that right there. That's the park. All right, here it is, y'all. I'm inside the world's smallest park. Oh, you trader. We repping the North Face over here. Not the bees. Oh yeah, we're at my favorite section. Some art. Oh, we're passing the famous sign. There it is. All right, Courtney taking us to Lardo's. Woo. Cool food place. What up? I like the vibe outside. Nice. More dank, less bank. This is my kind of store. They just got random stuff. Alright, making the good ladies mark in Portland, Oregon. Hey.
Got a pork prawn meat sandwich.
That smells so good. And we got some Parmesan pepper fries. Oh my goodness. All right, we made it back to the casa. We are now building Courtney's, what do you call this? TV stand?
Yeah.
Excellent. All right, we got the instructions. We don't need those. I'll be the videographer for this. All right, team, we're halfway there. We have my favorite warning. Children have died from furniture tip over. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. All right, look at all our teamwork. Team, let's go team. Hey, it's clean, it's clean. The minimal distance that we have. Oh my God. It's precariously perched. All right, we're going to get some drinks now. Woo. Oh yeah. Ooh, we're at this place called Victoria. Courtney took us, got cool drinks. We got our Princess Bride drinks. We got the Thickums burger. Chile. Alright, we'll do an unboxing when we get home.
Deluxe mystery fun bag.
Ooh.
We've got a picture of a cat and a fish.
Let me see.
Cute.
That's a sketch. Fortune teller miracle fish.
Interesting.
It's like a moon ring, but with a fish.
A fish.
Oh, there's some all my children ABC cards. Some cigarette candy, nerds, two cups, and a miniature baby, a motorcycle
Interesting.
ring.
Thought there was gonna be hardcore drugs in there. Oh well.
The next day.
Day 2 in Portland. Woo! Yes, play me your anime music. We got the goods. Ooh, all right, I got the steak sandwich. What'd you get, Tasha?
I got the chicken biscuit.
Ooh, what'd you get, Courtney?
I got a bacon bagel.
Feast your eyes. Ooh, all right, we made it to Ski Bowl. Look at all this snow. Whoa. All right, we're here at Mount Hood Ski Bowl. Tasha's gonna do her first snowboard lesson. Woo! It's a pretty nice day out. I don't know if you can see that. I got my board. I'm gonna watch her do some lessons and then take off on my own. How are you feeling right now?
Nervous.
You nervous?
Yeah.
You can do fine, you can do fine. Well, I'm already winded. I forgot how to get on my board, so I don't really know how to do this anymore. It's been a hot minute. Oh my God, it's crazy up here, bro. There she is, busting the booty. Hey. Woo!
胸を張って息を飲んで見たことのないの dress like this こんなに素敵人はない Really why 君はねまた mama likes it Like it, love it たまらん Take it, own it 奪った Whistle, flame 集中しているなんていらない Shut it, save it 進め正直に Yeah, know it, you want all this 物始まってみて周りが私で love you with me 友達が say you make me
Please tell me about your skiing experience.
Snowboarding was awesome. I'll do it again.
What's up, people? It's day 3 in Portland. We're on our way to go get some good comida at the food carts. And we're gonna go hiking. Woo! Oh yeah. The art. More art. It's a bit windy today. We're going to a crazy place. I don't know why there's so much barbed wire for food. Oh yeah. Oh, what'd you get? What'd you get?
Buffalo chicken grilled cheese.
Woo! Give me a rose, cause their cart has roses all over it.
That's cute.
Wow. We got some of the best looking mac and cheese I've ever seen in my life. I got the creamy garlic with bacon. Tasha got the buffalo chicken. And now we're on our way to go do some hiking. Ooh, we made it to the state park. Where are we at, Courtney? Woo! And it's raining. Let's do it. Let's go hiking. It's a very cloudy day, so we probably won't get any views, but apparently it's supposed to be a really nice trail to walk on. Definitely do not have the right shoes for this. I'm slipping and sliding. It's slippery out here. Oh my god. My shoes, bro. Oh Jesus. Oh, I'm slipping. I'm getting major Twilight vibes out here. Team Edward rules! It is so windy! Alright, update. This trail is very wet and a lot more strenuous than we had planned for. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Alright, we headed back down. It's freezing. Alright, that trail was quite fun. It was very muddy. Why is your shirt confusing?
Just like trippy, like just look at it.
That's crazy. Dry to sweet. Let me see that egghead. It's freezing! Why they put the poop dog thing next to the, the sign? Alright, we got our ones from driest to sweetest. Which one's your favorite
Raspberry.
from our list over here?
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Nice. Which one's your favorite, Courtney?
I think I like either the cherry or or the last one, the mixed berry.
Ooh.
It's really
That one's
sweet.
very fruity. I like the blueberry. Is that one? I think. Ooh, got one of the burgers on here. Look at them tots. Oh. All right, we got the blueberry, cherry, and what was yours?
Raspberry.
Raspberry ciders. All the fruits. Yes, sir. We're back from our winery trip. Courtney's gonna take us to a special place in town now. The dispensary.
Courtney! You look like a soccer mom.
Oh, my feet, yeah, they were
Ooh. Yeah. The trail. Yeah. Yo, it is day 4 in Portland. We are headed to go get some food at a cool taco place. And then hopefully we're gonna hit the Japanese gardens before it starts raining today. It's already raining, sprinkling, but that's the plan. And then we gotta go catch our flight around 8 o'clock tonight. So go be good, rainy day. The sun, it shows itself. Oh. All right, we at the Japanese garden. Woo.
best part.
All right, we are now headed to a special area. Going to a real cool place, the Vacuum Museum. Woo! Oh yeah, we got the Vacuum Museum. Look how this one turns on. All right, we are in the shopping district now. Courtney's taking us a place to get a charcuterie board, some mimosas, very cool stuff. They got a Snow Peak store here, an architect store. All my favorite outdoor brands. It's pretty dope. Ooh, charcuterie. Oh yeah, checking out the gear. All right, we're heading out now. Going to the airport. End of the video. Thanks, Courtney and Chris, for letting me come, and Justin. This airport is dead. All right, we have a quick layover in Vegas. Tasha wants to try one of the slot machines. Aw, yeah, let's do it. Let's get that money. All right, this thing is confusing as hell. We're just gonna pull the lever, put $1 in. Ooh, I don't know what that means.